How the rich keep you poor and how to escape. Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer while you're stuck in the rat race? It's not an accident, it's a trap. And today I'll show you how to break free. The system is designed to keep you comfortable, but never wealthy. Schools don't teach money, bosses don't want you to be rich, and banks profit off your debt. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know their tricks. 3 big traps keeping you poor. Number 1, the salary trap. You trade time for money, but the rich make money work for them. They invest in assets while you're stuck in paycheck cycles. Number 2, the debt trap. Banks love when you buy things you can't afford. They make billions on interest while you struggle to pay it back. Number 3, the consumer trap. They convince you to buy things to impress people who don't care. The rich. They buy assets, not liabilities. Let me show you the exact steps I took to escape this trap. Step 1. Invest. First, spend later. Before buying gadgets or clothes, invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or a side hustle. Step 2. Use debt wisely. Good debt makes you richer. Bad debt makes you a slave. Step 3. Think like the rich. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Change your mindset and you change your life. Now that you know their tricks, are you going to fall for them or fight back? Comment "I'm in" if you're ready to escape the trap.